everyone. How are you all? Hope you and your family are safe. I am Mrs. Vasani, your social studies teacher. I am going to teach you social studies in Form 5. Today we will begin our session with chapter number 1, Our Earth, Continents and Oceans. In Form 4 you all have studied map, but that was limited up to Indian map. This year you are going to study the map of world as a whole. Today we are going to understand different continents and oceans found on the earth. As we all don't have textbooks, I have tried to explain you the concept in a better way on a bigger screen. Let us look at the bigger screen now. I hope you all can see the bigger screen in a proper way. This is the earth. When we look at the earth, we can see most of the part of the earth is covered in blue color. The blue color denotes water part on the earth. Do you know, children, on the whole earth, water is covered by 71% and mere 29% is the land part on the earth, which means that this earth, which you can see, is in a blue color, and hence we also know earth as a blue planet, because when we see from the space, earth seems to look like blue in color, and hence it is also known as a blue planet. Today we are going to study about the different names of the oceans and the land masses which are named differently with different names. There are 7 continents on the earth. They are all named differently. Continents are the massive land masses found on the earth. They are named with different names: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Let us study each in detail. Asia is the largest and the most populous continent with more than 4 billion people on it. It is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean on the 3 sides. There are 48 countries in Asia. The Himalayas are the world's largest mountain peak found in Asia. There are hundreds of languages spoken in Asia, out of which 30 are the official languages of only India. The most enlightening features are Great Wall of China, Taj Mahal and Bali Island of Indonesia. Africa. Africa has 54 countries and it is the second largest and the second most populated continent on the earth. It is surrounded by Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Algeria is the largest city of Africa. The world's longest river Nile is found here, and the Sahara, the largest desert, which is the hot desert found in Africa. The unique features of it are Victoria Falls and the Mauritius, which is found here. Let us study about North America. North America is the 3rd largest continent and it has 23 countries. It is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Mexico has the largest population in North America. The United States is the richest country found here. North American attractions are Niagara Falls and Disneyland found here. Let us study about South America. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, which surrounds the lower part of South America. South America, the largest river Amazon is found in South America. Angel Falls, which are the largest falls, found here. The driest Atacama Desert is also found in South America, and Amazon River, which has the largest basin, and the Amazon forests found here. Antarctica. Antarctica is the windiest and the frozen continent and the driest continent with the least population. Antarctica, there is no habitation found here. Only the researchers go there and visit this continent. Penguins are the most attractive birds found there. Europe, which is the third most populous continent of the earth, third most populous continent with 50 countries. Here, the world's largest city, Russia, is found, and the smallest city, Vatican City, is found in this continent. The most attraction are Big Ben and Eiffel Tower found in Europe. Let us study about Australia, which is the smallest continent of the earth, which is also known as Oceania. There are many attractive and big cities found here like Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane and Darwin. Australia is famous for kangaroo and koala. Opera House and Alps are the most attractive places found here. Hope you all have understood the concept of continents clearly. I want each one of you to make a notebook and jot down at least two physical features or the attractive or the specialities of each continent in a proper order. We studied about the 7 continents. The 7 continents are surrounded with the large stretches of water which are known as oceans. We are going to study ocean in detail. The water part on the earth, which we saw in the previous slide, that 71% of the earth part is covered with water. There are 5 oceans on the earth which are named differently. We will study about the different oceans and its peculiarities. There are 5 oceans, out of which Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean of the world. It is circular in shape, which separates Americas from Asia and Australia. The second largest ocean of the world is Atlantic Ocean, which is in the shape of letter S. It separates both the Americas from Europe and Africa. The third largest ocean of the world is the Indian Ocean. The peculiarity of this ocean is it is named after country India. It is in the southern part of Pacific Ocean. The newest and the ocean which is found in the southernmost part of the earth is Southern Ocean, which surrounds the continent of Antarctica. It is frozen throughout the year. The smallest ocean which is found in the northern hemisphere is Arctic Ocean. It also is covered throughout the year with snow, as it is in the northernmost part of the earth. Now let us revise all the ocean. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean, and also it is the deepest ocean. Atlantic Ocean is S-shaped ocean and the second largest ocean of the earth. Indian Ocean, which is named after country, is Indian Ocean. The ocean which surrounds the continent of Antarctica is Southern Ocean. Also it can be known as Antarctic Ocean. And the smallest ocean of the world is Arctic Ocean. Now let us practice some questions related to the oceans. How many oceans are found in the world? Yes, exactly. There are 5 oceans of the world. Name 5 oceans of the world. Name each one of them which we studied just now. First is Pacific, Atlantic, Indian Ocean, Antarctic or Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Yes children, I hope you have understood all the different oceans and the continents which are the land masses found on the earth. I hope the concept is clear and the visual made it more clearer. I hope you all have understood what are continents means. The land masses found on the earth are continents, and the water part which surrounds or separates different continents from each other are known as oceans. Oceans are named differently as how the continents are named differently. Okay children, now whatever we have studied, I want you all to make a mind map out of it where you can give the heading as Earth, divide it into two fragments, that is, one is land masses and the other is water bodies. Name all the continents under the heading of land mass. Name all the oceans under the heading of water bodies. Yes children, I hope the concept of continents and ocean is clear now in your mind. I have given you the mind map which I want you to note down in your book so that whenever you revise and see the video, you will be more clearer about the names and the sizes of the continents and oceans. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.